Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to make the boot bigger on your Audi A1 Sportback. Now this is a 2020 model. I'll also show you how to remove the luggage compartment cover and also fold down the rear seats to give you even more space. Now maybe you're carrying something slightly bigger in the boot, or you've got a puppy Dalmatian that's getting bigger and bigger by the day and you want to make the boot bigger. First thing obviously you need to do is open the boot. You can either do this on the key remote, or if the car's already open, just squeeze the handle underneath and lift. And at the moment the boot on this Audi A1 Sportback is not a bad size, but we can actually make it bigger. You don't have a spare wheel in here, you just have a tyre puncture repair kit. Now you'll notice on either side you've got these grooves. So what you do is just lift this floor pan up, slide it towards you, let it drop down to the bottom, slide it back in till it starts slanting upwards, and look at that, absolutely fabulous. We've made the Audi A1 Sportback boot much bigger. It's much deeper, you can get more stuff in there now, and you can fit a much bigger doggy in there. Now if you are going to be putting a dog in the back, you need to remove the luggage compartment tray, otherwise the dog's going to be trapped and can't see out of the back window. So let's do that now. To remove the parcel shelf, first of all you need to unhook these tethers here. They literally just unclip, and you've got one on either side, so make sure you unclip both of those. Then you've just got this channel groove system. And what you're doing is you're literally just pulling it towards you nice and gently, and it should just slide out. There we go. Fabulous. What we'll do now is we'll take it one stage further and make the Audi A1 even bigger in the back by folding down both rear seats. What you've got on the top of each seat is you've got this handle, so just slide that forwards. Then you get the button pop up, that means it's released. Then you can move the seat forwards, and it's the same on the other side. And there's a link above now about how to remote open all your windows on this Audi A1. Now you can just push it all the way down. Now look how much space we've now got in the Audi A1 Sportback. Lots of decent space in there if you're moving something larger. To put the seats back, you can just lift it up. It just locks into position. The double seat is a bit heavier, so you'll have to go round and lift it from inside. So let's just open the rear door here. Just lift it and just lock it back into position. If you want to put the luggage compartment tray back in, just line it up on either side with the grooves. Slide it all the way home. And remember to put the clips back in so that when you raise the boot, that also raises as well. The luggage compartment tray, or parcel shelf as it's sometimes called, is really there just to keep anything in the boot private, so nobody can peer in and see what you're hiding. And I'll tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.